Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wire tracer is probably one of the most useful tools for electricians, network technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who frequently work with wiring. This handy device helps you quickly and easily identify specific wires within bundles or walls, saving you valuable time and preventing costly mistakes by significantly reducing the time spent tracing wires, and minimizing the risk of damaging other circuits or components. Whether you're installing a new network, troubleshooting a faulty circuit, or simply trying to understand the wiring in an existing system, a wire tracer can be an invaluable asset, making complex tasks much simpler and more efficient. Number 5. Klein Tools VDV 500-820 Kit. This kit is a professional-grade tool for tracing wires. It's designed for accuracy and efficiency in various applications. It includes an analog tone generator and a tracing probe. This combination makes locating wires quick and easy. It offers 5 distinct tone cadences and transmits signals over 1,000 feet. This ensures reliable tracing capabilities, even over long distances. The rugged angled bed of nails clips securely attached to wires. This provides a stable connection while tracing. It easily connects to telephone and data jacks. This makes toning wire pairs convenient and straightforward. It tests for continuity and polarity, clearly indicating the results with LEDs. This simplifies interpretation of the test results. The probe features a headphone jack for use in noisy environments. This ensures clear audio feedback during tracing. It comes with a durable, replaceable conductive tip. This ensures precise tracing and extends the life of the probe. What we like. This professional-grade kit boasts multiple tone cadences and a secure wire attachment mechanism. If you need reliable tracing in various environments and prioritize secure connections, this is the ideal choice for you. Its versatility makes it perfect for various cabling types and situations. What people say. Accurate and makes it easy to trace detect wires and network cables. Can use with a third-party tone generator as well. No hassle on changing tips. Very reliable. This tracer allowed me to locate the wire and follow it from the entry point to the dead end. It had been several years since the shed had been removed and I didn't know within 15 where the wire would be, nor at what depth. This tracer allowed me to locate the location, and when I dug 18 down, I found the wire end. Number 4. Extech TG20 Wire Tracer. This innovative tool is designed to simplify wire tracing and testing. It's perfect for electricians and anyone working with wiring. Easily identify specific wire pairs within a bundle. It saves you valuable time and effort. Verify the continuity of your wires to ensure a complete circuit. This helps prevent costly mistakes. It accurately tests the polarity of telephone lines, ensuring proper functionality. This is a critical feature for telecommunication work. The adjustable sensitivity control allows for precise wire identification, minimizing false signals. It provides accurate results every time. Trace wires from their source to their termination point with ease. It's simple and efficient to use. The transmitter features convenient modular RJ11 phone connectors for easy connection. It's designed for seamless integration with existing systems. What we like. It efficiently identifies wire pairs and features adjustable sensitivity for precise tracing. If you are looking for a straightforward tool with adjustable sensitivity to minimize false signals, this is a great option for you. Its ease of use makes it perfect for quick troubleshooting. What people say. The Extech TG20 Wire Tracer and Tone Generator is an excellent tool for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. The device is easy to use and offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for tracing wires and identifying breaks or shorts. The built-in tone generator is a great feature that allows you to easily locate wires even in crowded or hard-to-reach areas. The ability to trace both shielded and unshielded wires is also a major plus, as it allows you to work on a variety of projects. Having black connected to a ground resulted in a very positive pickup of the signal over the whole length of the wire, a distance of about 80 feet. This was through wood and stucco. It was possible to identify the specific cable among several other cables. This traced a wire in a car loom to an unconnected end in 5 minutes. Solved my problem first time using this tracer. Number 3. Klein Tools VDV 500 Wire Tracer. This professional-grade tool makes tracing wires a breeze. It's perfect for identifying open-ended, non-active wiring in various applications. Remember, you'll need the Probe Pro tracing probe, sold separately, to use with this tone generator for optimal results. It's a powerful combination. It features 5 distinct tone cadences, making it easy to identify specific wires even in complex situations. This helps you save time and effort. The rugged ABN clips securely attach to wires, and the RJ11 plug easily connects to telephone or RJ45 jacks. It's designed for efficiency and reliability. It tests for continuity and polarity, displaying the results clearly on easy-to-read LEDs. This ensures accurate and efficient troubleshooting. It features auto power-off to conserve battery life and a low battery indicator to prevent unexpected shutdowns. It's designed for convenience and reliability. What we like. This professional-grade tone generator offers 5 distinct tone cadences and reliable continuity testing. If you value accuracy and need a tool that tests continuity and polarity, this is a great option. Its multiple cadences make it suitable for complex wiring scenarios. What people say. Klein makes great tools and this is no exception. Perfect for identifying wires quickly and easily. I started out trying to trace Ethernet cables with the VDV 500-123 and the Klein Lawn Scout Jr. 2. This worked okay as long as you could touch the cable with the tip of the probe but didn't work through walls or even wall plates. The Klein VDV 500-705 says it puts out plus 8.5 dBm for toning, so I hooked an audio signal generator to my Ethernet cable running at 1 kHz and 7 volts, or about 7 dBm. This let me detect the cable with the VDV 500-123 out to around 6 to 12. It would go through walls with no problem. This let me trace my wires all over my house. Most of my Klein tools are still serviceable many years on. I don't expect this, being an electronic device, to last as long as my mechanical tools, but I do expect many years of service from it. So far it meets the bar for a tracer of this type and works as expected. I'm impressed with how loud and clear the signal is when it's detected. Number 2. Klein Tools VDV 500-705 Kit. Tracing wires has never been easier. This kit simplifies the process, making quick work of open-ended, non-active wire runs. Its durable probe ensures accurate and reliable tracing. The non-metallic, conductive tip makes it easy to use. These handy alligator clips make connecting to unterminated wires a breeze. No more struggling with loose connections. Seamless connectivity is key. It comes with an RJ45 to RJ45 test cable for easy wire mapping and testing. This kit performs a thorough pin-to-pin wire map test. It accurately identifies and maps your wires. The probe's built-in work light improves visibility in dark spaces. It makes tracing wires easy, even in low light. Customize your audio output with the adjustable volume control. It optimizes the tracing experience in any environment. What we like. This kit provides easy wire tracing with a durable probe and a handy work light. If you prioritize ease of use and need a tool for tracing in low-light conditions, this is perfect for you. The included work light is a significant advantage in various situations. What people say. I just connected the 2 leads of the supplied noise generator to a pair of the Cat 5 leads in the bedroom, then ran to the basement with listening probe and quickly found the correct wire. This toner works very well, and is great at locating unmarked runs for labeling. Worked well for me. Follow the instructions and watch the lights. Number 1. Riiai Tone Generator Kit. It's built with high-quality, wear and corrosion-resistant materials. It has a 30 dB gain and 100 ohm input impedance. Remember, it needs 2 9V batteries, not included. This kit offers continuous or adjustable tone generation for simple and accurate testing. One-button operation lets you clip, trace, and identify cables in just 1 second. When paired with a tone generator, it helps identify and trace wires without damaging insulation. Use clamp mode for direct measurement on non-terminal cables, even telephone and network lines. It has a spring-loaded on-off button, adjustable volume, recessed terminals, and a protective tip to prevent shorts. The insulation probe and built-in speaker further enhance safety. This versatile tool is perfect for cable and wire maintenance. Use it for line tracking, short circuit testing, and identifying line status, clear, busy, or ringing. You can select continuous or variable tones. What we like. This kit is built with high-quality, durable materials and offers accurate, easy-to-use functionality. If you need a reliable and versatile tool for a wide range of applications, this is a great choice. Its durable construction and wide application make it suitable for various professional and DIY tasks. What people say. This helped me identify an issue I had in my home. I set it up, and what took me days and couldn't figure out, I was able to solve in a couple minutes with this device. Used this to find where an unpowered reciprocal goes. Found 12-2 unterminated cable in the breaker box. Make sure the receptacle is dead before hooking to outlet. I bought this tester for fixing wire harnesses on four-wheelers. This little tool made it easy to find the broken circuits and bad switches. It was easy to hear and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.